How you guys doing out there? My name is Kenneth. I'm the creator of Crystal H Technology projector screens using smart technology gain. Okay, so yesterday I posted a few videos on a new projector screen, blackout cloth material that I am actually testing, which is actually passing with flying colors enough basically for us to start pre-orders on this particular blackout cloth. Now this right here is the Quantum Light Fusion front and rear projection screen blackout cloth. Will allow you to be able to build your own very own professional rear projection screen or front projection screen, depending on how you want to use it. Now the minimum requirements you can use with this particular screen is 300 lumens. It is a dark silver, just to let you guys know. And we're going to do an interesting demonstration showing the ability of the screen's smart technology gain capabilities. Now usually when you're using a rear projection screen, the less light you have behind the back of the screen, the better, because it distorts the picture a little bit. But you know me, you guys know how I do my testing. I push my screens to the limit. So if you get it home, you use it, it's going to work fantastic, because I doubt you're going to be putting your screen to these kind of extreme measurements. Alright, so the projector we used last time was a 3000 lumens. Today we're using my cheaper projector. I paid about $77 for this on Amazon. I'll leave the specifications in the video comments below, because I doubt you can see this too well. It's orange on white, so it's very hard to make out. But this is a 1000 lumen projector. Its res is, I'm sorry, I can barely see this myself. This res is, I think, 800 by 480. I'm not sure, but I'll put that information, like I said, because they put it on an orange and white kind of print. It's really hard to kind of make out what the heck I am looking at on here. Alright, okay, so let me get back to the demonstration real quick. So this is a very cheap projector. The projector will cost you about $77. That's what I paid for mine. I've seen a lot of reviews on this projector, but I haven't seen it actually used in different form of settings, as in fully lit environments or different forms of projector surfaces. So let me show you how much light we have in here. We have the ceiling light, we have our lamp right here, we have another lamp right here, and then we have the one in the back, which is the kitchen. And just to add insult to injury, over here I have a lamp here on the floor that's going to be hitting the back of the screen. Now, here's a little mini projector right here. It's pretty cool looking. Now, this is a good projector if it's just your kick around projector, something to have fun with. But if it's your main projector, I wouldn't advise going down that road. I mean, it has its limitations on what you can do with it. Now, from here, we're about close to about 5 feet. Where's the 5 feet? Sorry about that. About 5 feet and some change from the screen. So we're about 5 feet from the screen, so we can actually get it to fit properly into the our cardboard and duct taped rear projection screen. I built this really fast just to give you guys a good idea on exactly how easy it is to actually build this screen. It's not that hard. Later today I'll be popping over to Home Depot and I'll be building a more professional screen with an amazing frame that I designed. The frame is actually a free design. You guys can build your own screen from that particular design right there and do a step-by-step on how to do it. And it's just going to be really, really interesting. Now, just to let you know, the material is weatherproof, so if you do want to use this outside, it can be done without a problem. You don't have to worry about any mold or mildew or any of that nonsense. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to come over here. We're going to turn on our lamp. Alright, so we have light coming from here into the screen. Now, as I explained to you before, the Quantum Light Fusion chemical is designed to actually fuse, marry, and bend light, so light passes through the screen. It's a very interesting chemical. Alright, so we're going to start this demonstration real quick and get this going. This is just also to prove that you don't have to spend a ton of money for a projector just to get an interesting looking screen. Just get a perfect screen. Now mind you, screen's getting hit with a 100-watt lamp that's on the floor, and we're using a 1000 lumen projector, fully lit environment. And this is the Quantum Light Fusion rear projection screen, rear and front projection screen. Look how amazing that looks. 1000 lumens. We'll look at this side. Look at the angle gain. Now I know you're not going to have lights directly in the back of your screen. Majority of most people that are using rear projection screens, it's going to have a pretty dark back there, but this just gives you a good idea that you can have this in a well-lit environment and this is not going to plague any problems on your screen. Now if we could do this with 1,000 lumen, a cheap, now mind you, it's a cheap projector. This projector's about $77. You can do this with pretty much anything. Now you're probably curious, okay, if you're hitting the screen with a lamp and it's hitting the back of the screen, how come it's not basically washing up the screen? As I said before, this is a new chemical. It's called quantum light fusion and it's designed to marry and bend light. So it actually fuses the light to make the screen brighter. Pretty cool, huh? Now if I did this with a projector that was 3,000 lumens with the light in the back, it would have been a little too easy. So that's why I went with the 1,000 lumen projector to show you exactly how powerful these screens are. And you tell me where in YouTube where you'll see somebody actually put their screens under this kind of rigorous testing. Alright, so I want to add real quick. Now the screens come in two different sizes. They come in a 100-inch, which is 16 by 9, and they come in 146-inch, which is 2.39.1. This is panorama. Now, just to let you know, the panorama screen that's actually 5 feet by 12 feet is about $1,500, and the screen size of 100-inch 16 by 9 is about $560. These things are going to go really fast. I've already got orders over in Europe. I've got orders over in Hong Kong, and I got a few orders over in Switzerland for these particular screens. And just to let you know, this is a blackout cloth. This will allow you to be able to build and design your own form of high professional rear projection screen or front, depending on how you want to go with this. And you're looking at a dark scenery right here, a 100-watt lamp in the back. Check that out, how beautiful that is. Well, I'm Kenneth Bird from Crystal Edge Technology Projector Screens using Smart Technology Gain. I hope you enjoyed this video demonstration. Just to let you know, you might want to subscribe and check out our videos. We're going to be building, actually I'm going to be building a bigger screen than this. I'm going to be popping over to Home Depot and I'm going to be building a screen that's going to be about 8 feet wide and about 5 feet high. So I'm going to build one for the backyard. And like I said, with the frame design, it's free. You guys can check it out, how to design your own form of fold-up rear projection screen. You can actually, it's portable when you think about it. And it's going to be a free tutorial on basically on how to build this screen. Or actually, free tutorial on it. You can actually use the idea for the frame if you want. Alright guys, I'd like to thank you all.